everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia and Who Cooking. Today I have to show you a very nice recipe for pierogi stuffed with mushrooms and meat. I'll use pork today and I hope you enjoy. And what I need for this recipe, of course, mushrooms, pork, onion, oil, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, marjoram and bay leaves. And for pierogi's dough I need flour and water. Let's go start it. Boil the pork and it looks like it's done. Nice and soft. I'll cut the mushrooms in big pieces because I will blend. Oil, mushrooms, onion chopped in very large pieces because I will grind everything. Mushroom is done. Now we grinding everything. Mushrooms and onion. I chop pork and now we will grind everything. Okay, to jest zmienię. Thank you for your help. You're doing a beautiful job.
Oh yeah, of course.
Wow. Oh, another helper. I try to help. I mix meat, pork, ground pork with ground mushrooms and onion. I add salt and pepper to taste. And now I'm ready to make pierogis. Now I'm making dough, flour, little bit water, boiling water, and I have to wait when it cool down to do the next process. Everything is cooled down. Now adding warm water. Just mix everything. It's a simple dough. When I make more dough, just add water and flour. Next part, roll the dough like this. A little bit flour. Next part, pork and mushrooms, take little piece and just put the middle of the pierogi dough. It's very quick recipe. Just a little bit in the middle. If you have bigger, you can put more stuffing. Next part, like each pierogi, you just press in the middle like this and it's done. Press in the middle and press sides. We don't want to break pierogi during boiling process. Yeah, like this. Like dough is perfect because I don't have to use any flour or water. It's perfect consistent. When the dough is too dry, you have to use a little bit water. If it's too soft, you have to use flour. Mine is perfect. I don't have to use anything. And just now we have to continue making pierogi. And next process will be I will boil. Water is boiling and now I'm adding salt. I just add oil. Now I'll add more salt. Water is boiling, so I'm putting pierogis. And I'll keep in a boiling water till all pierogis go up. It takes a few minutes. And just mix it very gently before adding next pierogis with meat and mushrooms. Wow, it will be excellent dinner today. Everybody loves pierogi with pork and mushrooms. Very quick recipes. It's delicious. It's worth it to spend your time to make something very unique and very tasty. And now quick stir and wait when the pierogi goes up. Now we can remove them from the bowl. And it looks like pierogi is ready. And just remove it. I serve pierogi with sautéed onion. This is my proposition for pierogi stuffed with pork and mushrooms. Pierogi with mushrooms and pork done. If you like this recipe, please give me thumbs up. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.